Unveiling the Sky. The meaning of cloud bank. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have an interesting phrase to unpack: cloud bank. You might have heard it when people talk about the weather, or you might have come across it in a book describing the sky. But what does it really mean? Let's dive into the cloudy depths of this expression and clear up any confusion. Remember, understanding such phrases is not only useful for your vocabulary but also for improving your overall comprehension of English. So, stay tuned to learn all about it. When we look up at the sky, we often see clouds forming various shapes and layers. A cloud bank is one such formation, but it's not just any cluster of clouds. A cloud bank specifically refers to a dense, flat layer of clouds that appears as a wall or a massive pile in the sky. It's like a huge blanket made of clouds that can extend across the horizon, often blocking sunlight or bringing in a wave of bad weather. The term bank in this phrase may remind you of a riverbank or a savings bank, but in meteorology, it's used to describe a mass of something, similar to a sandbank or a snowbank. A cloud bank can be seen from the ground or felt when an airplane flies through it, entering a zone of less visibility. Now that we know what a cloud bank is, let's see how to use this term in sentences. 1. The pilot warned passengers that they might experience turbulence as the plane approached a large cloud bank. 2. As we sat on the beach, we watched a cloud bank roll in, signaling that it was time to pack up and leave. 3. The sunrise was beautiful, with the light spreading over the top of the distant cloud bank. Using the phrase in sentences like these will not only make your English sound more fluent, but it will also help you convey precise observations about the weather and the environment. Understanding the concept of a cloud bank is not just about language, it's also a part of weather prediction. Meteorologists look at cloud banks to help determine upcoming weather changes. For instance, a cloud bank might mean that a frontal system is approaching, which could lead to rainfall or a storm. So, knowing about cloud banks can give you valuable insights into weather patterns and what to expect when you step outside. And that's a wrap on cloud bank. I hope this video has shed some light on this meteorological term and helped you add another piece to your puzzle of English vocabulary. Now, the next time you see a dense, fluffy formation in the sky, you'll be able to identify it as a cloud bank and perhaps even make your own weather predictions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, keep looking up. You never know what you'll learn from the sky.